I think the Tom Phelan apple peach crisp, it's a good dessert. It's a damn good dessert. I try to keep everything contained, but flour does get on the floor and on me and all over the place.
I mean, the thing that really blows my mind about cooking is that you start with like the same 4 ingredients every time, like flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and you can make a million different things, like cookies and cakes and pies and pudding. You make the best things by just going wild. Here we go. Look it, we did it. We did it, friends. It's all happening. Mom, I hope you're proud of me. Love you.